Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you the secrets to earning from Instagram threads. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. Have you heard of the latest bomb Mark Zuckerberg dropped? If not, then let me introduce you to Threads. It's a new text-based social media app from Instagram launched just this July 5, 2023. Threads is designed to be a more personal and intimate way to connect with your close friends and family. Here are some of the things you can do with Threads. Post short text updates, photos, and videos. Threads posts are limited to 500 characters, so they're perfect for quick updates about what you're up to. You can also post photos and videos up to 5 minutes in length. Start and participate in conversations. Threads makes it easy to start conversations with your friends. Just tap on the plus button to create a new thread or reply to a thread that someone else has started. See who's online and available to chat. Threads shows you who's online and available to chat so you can easily connect with your friends in real time. Stay up to date on your friends' activities. Threads shows your friends' latest posts, stories, and activities. This way, you can always know what they're up to. It's basically an Instagram version of Twitter, and it's creating quite a buzz. Whether you're a content creator or just someone who enjoys posting casually, Threads is giving us a fresh way to stay updated in real time and engage in public conversations. The best part is that it's all part of their plan to make Threads compatible with those open and interoperable social networks that will shape the future of the internet. Now here's the exciting part. Threads presents a golden opportunity for us to get in early and potentially make some money using this crazy Instagram update. It's like a whole new platform for unleashing our creativity. Imagine a positive and super creative space where we can freely express all our ideas, just like on Instagram. Threads lets us follow and connect with our buddies and other creators who share our interests, extending beyond the incredible people we already follow on Instagram. So I'm thrilled to show you exactly how you can leverage this fantastic platform to make some sweet cash. Step 1 is easy peasy. To sign up for Instagram Threads, head over to the Google Play Store or Apple Store, and with just a quick search for Threads, hit that download button. Best part is, it's absolutely free. If you're already on your Instagram app, you can find a direct link by tapping the 3 lines in the top right corner, opening Settings and clicking Threads to take you straight to the App Store. Once you've downloaded Threads, log in with your Instagram account. It's super straightforward. Just tap the button at the bottom of the screen. Plus, if you have multiple Instagram accounts, no worries at all. You can effortlessly switch between them and choose the perfect one for this money-making adventure. Now here's a little tip. I'd suggest creating a brand new Instagram account for a specific niche that interests you. The niche can be anything you like, something you're passionate about, or want to explore further. Next up, Threads will ask you to decide whether you want to have a public or private profile. If you aim to get more eyes on your content, which we do because more eyes means more potential money-making opportunities, I highly suggest going public. This way, anyone using Threads or those without can feast their eyes on your awesome content. The other option is to go private, which means your account will be accessible only to approved followers. However, since we're in this for some money making, it's generally better to go public and share your creativity with a broader audience. Now the fun part. When it comes to following accounts, you've got 2 options. You can either instantly follow all those accounts you already follow on Instagram, saving you time and effort, or you can take your time and choose who you want to follow manually. It's all about personal preference. Remember, if you decide to follow someone who hasn't joined Threads yet, they'll appear as pending until they hop on the trend. So make sure to follow as many people as you can within your chosen niche, and voila! Your account is now ready to go on this exciting money-making journey. Step 2 is where the real fun begins. Let's unleash our creativity and craft 100 or more short and captivating tweets using the incredible power of ChatGPT. Consider ChatGPT as your secret weapon, a skilled wordsmith that acts like a personal assistant, helping you create engaging content. So, let's dive right in. Start by focusing on your niche and what truly excites you. Think about the topics you're passionate about sharing with the world. You have many possibilities at your fingertips, from workout tips and delicious healthy recipes to motivational quotes that keep people pumped up. With ChatGPT's assistance, you can brainstorm ideas and bring your thoughts to life in 250 characters or less, just like Twitter. Remember, variety is key. Play around with different tones. You can be funny, serious, or even sprinkle in a touch of sarcasm if that's your style. The goal is to keep your audience engaged, eager to read more about what you offer. Once you're done, you'll have a treasure trove of captivating tweets ready to rock Instagram threads. Watch in awe as your presence on the platform grows, along with the potential for making some money. So go ahead, whip up those awesome tweets with ChatGPT's help, and get ready to shine on Instagram threads. Now, if you're enjoying this video and want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to hit that bell, like, and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Step 3 is where the money-making magic really happens. We're diving into the exciting world of CPA marketing. CPA, or cost per action, is a fantastic way to earn commissions by getting people to complete specific actions like filling out forms, submitting their emails, or downloading apps. And the best part, you don't have to sell anything. Just persuade others to take those actions. The beauty of CPA marketing is that you can do it all from the comfort of your home. With the right strategy and tools, you can kickstart your journey and earn cash in no time. It's an excellent entry point into the online marketing world, allowing you to build your income streams. So how do you start with CPA marketing and start raking in some cash? Well, I've got the perfect solution for you. CPA Grip. CPA Grip is a specialized website that connects affiliate marketers, like you, with advertisers eager to promote their offers. The best part is, you earn a commission every time someone completes an action through your promotion. CPA Grip is fantastic because it offers various advertisers a wide range of diverse offers. This means you get to choose the ones you believe will resonate the most with your audience. With each successful action your audience completes, you'll earn a commission. It's as simple as that. The platform is also super user-friendly, providing an easy-to-navigate dashboard to track your earnings and manage your campaigns efficiently. So once you've created your CPA Grip account, head to your dashboard and find the Offer Tools and My Offer tabs. Click on that and you'll be presented with many different offers just waiting for you to explore. Here's the cool part. You can customize a list to suit your preferences. Sort the offers by category, payout, or other criteria that spark your interest. It's time to get creative and choose the offers that align perfectly with your niche and audience. Now let's delve into finding the perfect offer to promote. Picture yourself browsing through the offers on CPA Grip, and there it is, a captivating giveaway offer that catches your eye. It's none other than the much coveted iPhone 14. Who doesn't love the chance to win cool stuff, right? Well, giveaway offers like this are simply irresistible because they attract so much attention. People absolutely love the thrill of potentially winning something awesome without spending a cent. And as an affiliate marketer, you get to be the messenger of this exciting news. Here's the beauty of it. You'll earn a commission for every person who enters the giveaway through your link. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. The secret to CPA marketing success lies in choosing offers you know will resonate with your audience. Put yourself in their shoes. What would get them excited? What would make them jump at the chance to take action? Tailoring your promotions to their interests and preferences is the key to hooking them in and driving those conversions. So, when you come across an offer like the iPhone 14 giveaway, consider how it aligns with your audience's desires and needs. If it's something they'd be thrilled to participate in, you found the perfect promotional offer. Get ready to share the excitement and watch your commissions grow as your audience jumps at the opportunity to enter the giveaway and potentially win that awesome prize. Step 4 is the final piece of the puzzle. Once your fantastic CPA offer is ready, it's time to take action. All you need to do now is paste the offer link into your bio and then sit back and watch those commissions start rolling in. Trust me, with the captivating tweets generated by ChatGPT and your engaging presence on threads, you'll gain followers in no time. And before you know it, you'll be making some serious cash. So, go ahead and update your bio with that enticing CPA offer link. Tell your audience about the exciting giveaway opportunity or any other irresistible offer you've selected. As you start posting these awesome ChatGPT generated tweets on threads, you'll attract more and more followers who can't resist the value you're providing. Remember, the key is consistency and engagement. Keep sharing valuable content, interact with your followers, and watch as your presence on Instagram threads flourishes. Your efforts, combined with the power of CPA marketing and ChatGPT's assistance, will open up fantastic opportunities for you to monetize your passion and creativity. So, Let's go all in and make this happen. Get ready to experience the thrill of success as those commissions start coming your way. Happy promoting, and may your journey on Threads be filled with fun and financial success. As we conclude this journey, remember that every step forward is an investment in yourself and your potential. The possibilities are boundless and the rewards are within your grasp. So, seize this opportunity, let your passion guide you, and watch as you unlock a world of earnings and fulfillment. Here's to taking the leap, embracing innovation, and making money easily, all while enjoying the journey. Cheers to an empowered and prosperous future. Let's get out there and make it happen. Your journey to success and creativity awaits. Happy promoting and threadsing. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.